Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing how to make hot and sticky chicken wings. Come along with me and let's do this together. In today's video we'll be making hot and sticky chicken wings. And I have already got my the chicken wings, and what I did was I washed them with lime or lemon. You can use lemon if you have it, and water and salt, and this will bring it alive. It will make it very fresh. Make sure it is dry. Just pat them dry, and the reason we want them dry is because we want all this gorgeous we're putting on them to stick to them. If you allow water to be there, water is going to serve as is going to be a repellent. It's going to repel everything. At the end of the day, you won't have enough flavor from your chicken. Then I have here garlic powder. I have here Chinese spice. This is optional, but it brings the flavor out in today's recipe. I have two types of paprika here. That is why I brought this to show you. I have the smoked paprika and also the sweet paprika. The combination of these two paprika in this recipe today is heavenly. Also I have salt. This I will put on the chicken, mix them together. Then I will be sieving in my flour, my baking powder, salt and black pepper. And the reason I'm going to be sieving them is to allow more air into my flour, which will make it to be lighter, and it will turn out to be crispier. And again, the best type of baking powder to use is, if you can get it, is the gluten-free baking powder. What that does is it allows it to be very, very light, and because we want it to turn out to be very crispy, we want it to be better than the one we buy in the stores. That is why we are doing it this way. So no more you buying your chicken wings from the chicken and chip shop. You can make it by yourself. In goes my garlic powder, my Chinese spice, then this is the paprikas and the salt. The measurement of everything I'm using is in the description box. Please, you need to check them out. The next thing I'll be doing now is bring this forward, push this one back. We don't need them now. Then massage. Massage, 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 massage. Rub it in. Do your workout here. Everything is well coated. See, that's why I said it should be patted dry. Now I'm going to sieve in my flour, just to allow it to be fluffy, and the baking powder, the salt and the black pepper, and just give it a quick mix. Yeah, you may be wondering, where is the hotness in this? Don't worry, this is just the first stage. The second stage is coming. That's when you feel the heat. Everything is well coated. Make sure you don't put the extra flour there. See, we have it. You don't put it, just the one that is enough for each of the chicken wings to be coated. Once it is well coated, everyone, what we will do now is put them on a rack, oven rack, and it goes into the oven. I have been preheating my oven for the past 5 minutes at about 170 degrees Celsius, and I will be putting them in the oven. When they are well patted dry, there is no problem, everything will work out well. These are ready to go into the oven for about 35 minutes. Make sure you check them, you don't want any one of them to get burnt. I will be turning them over when it's about 20 minutes. Now the second part of today's recipe, you know we are making hot and sticky chicken wings. For the second part, we're making the sauce. I have here scotch bonnet pepper. If you don't want it, just omit it because it's going to make it really hot. I have sesame oil. This one is the toasted one, pure sesame oil, and I just want a hint of it. I don't want it to overpower every other one. I have black pepper, I have onions, salt. This is rice vinegar, and smoked paprika. This is soy sauce, that is the dark one. I have minced garlic. This is my homemade paprika sauce, is in one of my videos, check it out. I have butter, I have here garlic powder, and also honey. The reason I didn't put out the honey in a plate is because, you know, honey is going to be sticky, and that is what is going to make the chicken sticky. So what I'll be doing is, when I want to pour it into the pot, that is when I'll take it out of the container, pour it directly into the pot, and I would have coated my spoon with oil so that it won't stick to the spoon, everything will come out. We'll add the butter, let it melt, and to it I will add the garlic, the minced garlic, then the onion and the scotch bonnet pepper. My homemade peri sauce is spicy, but I just want it very hot. I just want it to change color. You can use oil instead of butter, but you know the flavor the butter will bring to it. After about 3 minutes, I'm going to pour in the peri sauce. You can use any hot sauce of your choice, and you can as well use peri sauce. You're just about mixing everything together now. This is going to be so yummy. The paprika for more color, the garlic powder for more flavor, the soy sauce, the rice vinegar, the sesame oil, black pepper, salt. The last but not the least, let's take this together first. I use black soy sauce. You can use the light one. Oh, look at it. The last but not the least, is the onion. Like I told you, I'm going to coat my spoon so that it's not going to be sticky. It's not going to stick to the spoon. So I'm coating my spoon with oil. And the onion had stickiness to our sauce and also sweetness. You see, easily it's coming out of the spoon because the spoon is coated. Our sauce is ready. Please and please don't allow it to get burnt. Look at our chicken from the oven. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, can you hear that? Oh, look at our chicken. Are they not inviting? They are. Now I'm going to be pouring over our chicken the sauce. Can you see that? Can you see that? So we're just going to make sure everything is coated. Everyone. Oh. We did our hot and sticky chicken. You can see that it's very sticky, moist. Oh, I had a taste. It's like, oh, this is nice. Then I cut some chives just to garnish. This is lovely. You need to seriously try this and you're going to thank me. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore you discover, and as you discover you enjoy, and you even enjoy a lot. Today we have made hot and sticky chicken wings, and you saw how delicious, succulent. Oh God, it was so yummy. If you love what you've seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and click on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new videos. To all my subscribers, I say thank you. New members are welcome to join this wonderful family. Till next time, bye.